Hello, welcome to Crestron. This is LightFair 2018. I want to present to you a little bit on managing and scheduling of our Crestron systems. Our Crestron systems, we have a variety of different platforms, wireless and wired. This is our Zūm controller, or our Zūm Hub, that does all of our scheduling as well as maintenance overviewing of the system. What you see here is if you have multiple buildings or you have multiple sites that you're looking to manage or control, you have a directory tree here on the left. As you can see, if you click on this icon, it will open the tree either to different sites as well as the spaces within your building. Then you can hone in to each of those sites or each of those rooms and see what's going on in them. Check battery status, check occupancy status, as well as do scheduling throughout. So I invite you to stop in. We have a lot of innovations to show you, a lot of new products to show you. So come over, spend some time. I'll be happy to take you through the booth. Thank you.